Project code is ITIOT10. Project title is Automobiles Based Black Box System using IoT. So aim of our project is to develop black box system for automobiles. For automobiles. So black box is the concept where the sensors values are stored in the memory of the controller. Okay, so this is the aim of our project. So in real time scenario, we don't know the cause of accident at highways. Don't know cause of accident in highways. To overcome this, we proposing this method. To overcome this issue, we proposing this method. So drawbacks of existing in highways, accident occurred means don't know reason for accident. Know the reason for accident. So existing concept. In automobiles, there is no black box system. There is no black box system. Accident occurred. Do not know suddenly. So drawbacks. Rescue time taken in the accidents. Share the information manually to the hospital or government authorities. In proposing, automobiles have black box system. So black box is nothing but all the sensors in the vehicles are interconnected with the controller and it reads the values and store in the memory. So from this we know the cause of accident for the police identification. So advantages. Time taken for rescue is less. Time taken is reduced. Information sharing is done automatically. So the accident occurred means the owner of the vehicle will be intimated by the message. So block diagram. So already I told that in every vehicle there will be a controller. So in our project we using Arduino controller. So the vehicle consists sensors. For example, alcohol detection sensor, fuel level checking sensor, temperature sensor, touch sensor. Touch sensor means number of persons in the car. So yeah, all the sensors inputs are given to the controller. So that sensor values are read in the controller and stored in the one memory, that is SD card. And so we also displayed in LCD what happened, and it also send messages about the accident with the location. So we are using GPS for location, and it will update the accident in the IOT to monitor in which location accident occurred. So this is the concept of our project. So hardware used in a project. So LCD to display output. So LCD here we are using is 16 cross 2 row. So 2 is nothing but rows, and this is column. The next one is GPS. GPS to fit to know the location of the accident. So we get latitude and longitude. And temperature sensor to check temperature inside the vehicle. GSM to send message about the accident to the owner of the vehicle or any other relative. About the accident. So here we use gas sensor MQ2 to detect alcohol of the driver. To detect alcohol of the driver in the vehicle. In the vehicle. So Arduino Mega. So it's a microcontroller used in our project. IC name is Atmega 2560. Operating voltage is 5 volt DC. It consists 54 digital input or output pins and 16 analog input or output pins. So all the sensors readings are stored, readings are given to the controller and stored in the SD card. Ultrasonic sensor is used to check fuel level in the vehicle. In the vehicle. IOT, that is, we are using ESP 8266 Wi-Fi module in website update location of the updates location of the accident vehicle. So vibration sensor to detect the accident. Once the sensor detected, the location is sent to the respective person of the vehicle. Touch sensor. It will detect persons inside the vehicle. So software used is Arduino IDE and embedded C. Real-time examples are black box system, coal mine safety. So Arduino IDE is the software for open source Arduino controllers. In this IDE, we develop code, that is instruction for the controller. Develop instructions of a project, that is for our project, for the develop instructions for the controller. Instructions means code. So language, programming language is used is embedded C. So using C language in controller called embedded C. Conclusion. So from existing, what we proposing means we overcoming the issue of don't know the do not know the cause of accident in the highways. So police can come to conclusion from the sensors sensors data stored in SD card. So each sensor values stored in SD card. For example, if the vehicle accident is occurred due to alcohol or maybe vehicle collision or maybe fire accident, so that every sensor values is stored in SD card. So from that SD card values, police can conclude the accident reason is done due to alcohol detection or fuel level. So okay, so this is the concept. Thank you.